Welcome to KMIT Vista. In this today's session, AI technologies and applications, we will study about ANN versus AI versus ML versus DL and types of AI, advantages and disadvantages of AI, some examples of AI and applications of AI. When we see the comparison of AI, ML, ANN and DL, AI originated in 1950 and they are the subset of data science, analyze the data and give a solution to a problem, or it is to build a system that can think like a human. Whereas coming to the ML originated in 1960, where it is the subset of data science and AI. ML is used to predict or solve some basic problems such as Google search engine for speech recognition, image searches, translation, etc. For example, in Amazon, to know whether they like the shirt or not, so we try to predict the simple solution for a better problem, we use ML. And whereas ANN is originated in 1950, which is the subset of AI and ML, and it is used to solve complex problems like understanding about the tumor or segmenting tumor or analyzing or predicting whether a tumor is not there or not. So it was the complex problem where it took lot of days to train the model to predict an output. So the people defined DL. It was originated in 1970. It is the subset of data science, AI and ML and also ANN. It is the extension of ANN where the complex problems are solved, and deep learnings are used to understand the patterns of an image or patterns in an complex problem such that it can predict the solution. Second, it is used as a predictive analysis to give a solution. It itself can understand or extracts the features that are required. Whereas coming for ML and ANN, we need to extract the features such that we can predict a solution. Whereas in deep learning, the deep learning convolutional neural networks or convolutional CNNs are used to extract the features so that in no time we can predict the solution. So example is self-driven cars, face recognition on phone, tagging on a Facebook, etc. Next, coming to the types of AI. When we talk about types of AI, the AI is classified into 7 types depending on their performance of the missions. First one is the reactive missions, where the reactive missions are conventional type. They are without the memory, conventional type, which are without memory, that are unable to correct their present actions. Let me take example as ML model, as KNN or SVM or logistic regression. They are trained to pertain certain data such that it can predict whatever the data it has understood, but it cannot understand or predict the data which is out of the box. Whereas second type is classified based on the limited memory missions. So here the missions, AI missions have limited memory such that it can remember in a short time and analyze and give a solution to a data. Example is self-driving cars. Whenever we have the self-driving cars, when we see the mission in the self-driving cars, they will understand the patterns of other cars or the lane, or it understands the obstacles. So they remember all the data for a short time and give a solution to a problem. So the third one is theory of mind. So we know that AI missions doesn't have emotions. It does not understand the social intelligence, and also it will not have any, it doesn't have any understanding of emotions, so that it is going to predict wrongly. In future we are expecting the high featured AI, but here based on the theory of the mind and understanding level of the emotions, it is not predicting correctly. So next one, based on self-aware. AI is also classified based on the self-aware. Self-aware is nothing but it operates like a human and start predicting its own needs and demands, but as keep on going for understanding the data and knowing about the human needs, AI can be a disaster. Based on the performance, AI is also classified as artificial narrow intelligence. Simply we can call it as ANI, or it is also called VKI. VKI is designed and trained to undertake only one particular type of work and do the solution, or it gives a optimal solution. Example is speech recognition. In speech recognition, multiple voices are given. When multiple voices are given, it enables or predicts the voice that who is authorized. That is what a narrow AI means. A simple AI model, simple ML model, it has understood all the training data or the person's voices. Based on that voices, uh, it can predict the voice of a person. Next is artificial general intelligence, AGI. It is also called as strong AGI. Strong AGI employs fuzzy logic to apply domain knowledge and find solutions automatically. Example is our washing machine. When we give a washing machine, when we keep some clothes in the washing machine, based on the cloth weight, it tries to fill the water, it predicts the time, it predicts the uh, liquid how much it required. So based on one task, it is going to predict other task. That is what we call it as fuzzy logic. So general intelligence or artificial general intelligence, strong AI, it takes the logic, fuzzy logic, to predict the solution. The last type of AI is artificial super intelligence. So in this super intelligence, we have higher storage, faster data analysis and better decision making power. Example is our Sophia or first humanoid, where it is understanding about the data and the computational time of the mission to predict a solution is very faster. When we ask a question for the Sophia or humanoid, always it is going to predict in the seconds as an answer. So this is how we can say that artificial intelligence is classified into many types based on the performance of the mission. So these are all the missions that can give a solution for a problem. Next, coming to the disadvantage, next topic is our advantages and disadvantages of AI. So coming to the advantages of AI, AI is giving a better accuracy, better accurate output. Next is it has a very low or high computational power. At a low latency it is working. Next, it has better decision making. So this AI, because of this AI, there is a high reliability answers, and day and night it is working. We know that chatbots, whenever we ask a query, it is giving a solution. Next, coming further, it is dealing with complexities, working in risky areas. If you have a volcanoes or earthquakes, in that areas we cannot go and work. But if you want to know about the total area, how much it has affected, so based by using AI we can predict the output, predict the answers. Next is optimization of resources. Next one is digital assistances. We know that there is a chatbots working as an public utility. Coming for the disadvantages of AI, we know that building AI is it is time taking and it is very costly. Next, no original creativity is there. Next, no out of the box thinking, because of it doesn't have human thinking, or it doesn't have emotions. It cannot predict the out of the box. Next, no feelings and emotions, and dependency on the missions. If you want to collect the data, always we need to collect the data from the missions itself. Let me take, I want to know whether accident has held or not, or happened or not. We need to know the data. We need to collect the data from the missions itself. Next, coming to the next topic, some examples of AI. If you see, there are some examples of AI. Intelligent gadgets can make everyday tasks simple and faster. So here we have some examples. One is Echo. We know that Echo is a Alexa. It is a Amazon invented cloud-based voice assistant. So whenever we ask a query to play a song, immediately it searches the total database and try to retrieve the song that we want. Next, coming to the Flipkart, an e-commerce shopping platform. In this shopping platform, every day whenever we see the data, a shirt or a bag, always it predicts that the person is liking the shirt or the bag, so that there is a high spike in the bag or a shirt. So the based on the users interest, they are either decreasing or increasing the cost of the item. Next, coming for the pan and draw, it determines the music the user require. So in this platform, it is determining what type of music a person is interested. Next, coming to the Netflix, it is OTT. There we have different types of different type, where we can do other than text, other than requirement. So where we are going to see whatever people are interested. Next, we have one more Siri. It is a voice activated interactive assistant, where we can ask some questions so that it is going to reply. Next, coming for the applications of AI. Next topic for the day is applications of the AI. It has first application is AI as service provider. We call it as AI as a service. So we know that AI as a service, it is a platform where we have a cloud based platform. We can ask a query such that it gives a solution. Next, coming to the automobiles, we know that in automobiles we use AI. It understands the surroundings, it understands the patterns of the surroundings, and it gives a solution. And the third application is monitoring and predictive analysis on agriculture. So nowadays, without human intervention, the people are increasing their productivity by using the AI. in agriculture. So it is monitoring the total farm, and whenever the farm is ready, it starts plucking the fruits. Next is banking. It improves the decision making. When it comes to the decision making, whether should I a person is valid for uh, applying loan or not, whether he can be availed the insurance or not. So that decisions can be done in banking. Next, coming for business, to improve the financial and customer relation, we use AI. Coming for the data security, in cyber security, to identify malware attacks or software bugs, we use the AI. In gaming, to generate alternative solutions, let me take example as Minesweeper or Atari games. In the Atari games, if you want to if a person loses the game, you need to give a reward, or he has to reduce the point, we have to reduce the point, where it can this game can generate alternative solutions based on the user game. Next, in government it will be used. Next, predicting a person, next president of India, so on, AI can be used. In healthcare, ensuring the medical help reach patient faster. In NLP, normally AI is used for spelling checking, auto correcting, recommending the words, so on. Whereas in vision systems, to recognize the faces of the criminals, we use AI. In handwritten recognition, whenever we use a stylus pen, or when we have a digital words, we can recognize whether it is a 0 or a 1 based on the handwriting recognition. These are the applications of AI. AI can be used as a cloud based platform. It is used in banking, it is used in agriculture, gaming, healthcare, etc. Thank you.